Welcome back to another video of Middle East, and here we will talk about the latest Hungary work permit that we have successfully received for a Filipino client. First of all, I want to show the passport here we have, and congratulations to you.
Thank you. I apply around August or July, so it takes only 4 months.
You came here in August or July, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and you applied this. Can you tell me how did you find us?
Actually, I find here in the YouTube already, and then I feel like, too many subscribers, so maybe it's legit. And then I asked some people also that some people who apply here before, so they told me that this good agency like that. So I try. And
Okay, you first seen us on YouTube and you
YouTube.
seen the subscriber. After that, you
Yeah.
talk with the clients also.
yeah, some client, someone who tell
Someone
me
also
about this.
referred you. Okay. And total time is 4 months you told that.
4 months.
Can you tell the price also how much we have taken from you?
12,000.
12,000 dirham, and that you paid in installment.
Yes, I pay in
This is
installment.
the first time that you applied in for Sharingan?
Yeah, it's really first time. Actually, I applied already before, but I feel not okay with that agency, so I tried and again, and then this is the agency that I got, and it's good. It's really good.
Okay.
So first of all, I send the CV, then agency check about all the experience that I have. Then after that, I receive something job offer like that. Then after that, visa. Then I get a visa. It's really easy. Guys, ayun. Kung sino man gusto mag-apply, okay na okay to siya. Kasi nga, tagal ko nag-apply pero hindi ako nakakapagtuloy kasi nga hindi nagpo-provide sa akin yung mga magagandang details. Pero ito talaga na-provide sa akin. So, mag-apply na kayo dito.
This is the Hungary visa which we applied for our client, and successfully she got the visa. She belongs from Philippines, also working in the UAE. If you are a Filipino guy or lady, you want to travel to the Sharingan, you are a for visitor visa, for work permit, definitely we can assist you out. For the visitor visa, we just charge you 800 and VAT in case of single applicant. If you want to apply your case in a group file, will take you 600 and VAT only. Complete visa application will make. I'll give you appointment, insurance, hotel ticket, covering letter, itinerary, visa application form. Each and everything is there. In case you want to apply your work permit, we do have the jobs for Philippines, we do have the jobs in restaurant, we do have the jobs in delivery lines in Hungary and also in another country also. To know more about the work permit and visitor visa application assistant, better you contact us, and you can meet me personally into my office in Dubai on Sharjah, and that is the only charges, no hidden charges, and that also you need to pay in installments. So this is the process of almost 4 to 5 months in case you want to apply your work permit. If you want to go with the visitor visa, it will just take 1 or 2 months for the whole procedure. There is no hidden charges. We are in the market from past 10 years. To know about your visa application, to know about your eligibility, better you come and contact me. Thank you to watch this video.